How to delete your Twitch account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser. This is not available on the app, so you will need to open any browser. In your browser, type in twitch.tv/user/delete-account. After you press on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see, delete account. Now, account to delete, it's already chosen. Make sure you're logged in. Now, tell us why you're deleting account. You can write a reason. If not, you can simply press on delete account in here. After you press on delete account in here, it will load and take some time. And as you can see, your account has been deleted. And this is how to delete your Twitch account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.